All right, if you own a Jeep Wrangler or Gladiator, this mount is something you need to know about. I've been using the Bulletpoint mount for over 5 months now, and honestly, I don't know why I waited so long to buy it. I was just tired of my phone sitting in the cup holder all the time, and there's no factory options for a phone mount. I wanted something clean, solid, and could handle driving. Installation was honestly super easy. I actually made an install video when I first installed it. I can link that in the description below. The mount bolts right into the existing spot on your dash, and once it's installed, it feels like it's right from factory. The install of the mount took about 20 minutes total. So what is this thing? This is the Ruby Grid platform mount. It replaces your dash tray on top with an all-metal platform that gives you tons of flexibility. The mount's made of heavy-duty steel, not that cheap plastic stuff. The base lets you mount your phone, GoPro, tablet, or even your radios if you're into off-roading. I've daily driven with ours for about 5 months now. It's held up to rain, snow, Midwest potholes, zero rattles, no sagging, nothing loosened up. It's really easy to reposition the arms if you want a different setup later. The one thing I really like is the adjustability. You can swivel the phone towards you or to your passenger easily. The ball mounts are solid and won't slip over time. The only thing to keep in mind, if you have a lot of accessories added to this, it may take up some windshield view, so just keep that in mind. But for me, it's not a big deal at all. If you own a Wrangler or Gladiator, I honestly think the Bulletpoint phone mount is one of the best upgrades you can make in your Jeep. It looks factory, it's built strong, and it makes life easier every time you drive. I'll drop a link in the description below so you guys can check it out for yourself. If you already run a Bulletpoint setup, let me know in the comments. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.